Hi guys, it's Jordan Hewitt here, and today I'm going to show you how to create a fully functional website in 10 minutes time using a popular website and blog builder, WordPress. WordPress can create websites like this, or this, or this. This method is fully updated for 2015 and will be quite cheap. Creating a website is actually quite simple and easy. You only need two things: a domain name and a hosting account. A domain name is what you type into to get a website, such as youtube.com. A hosting account creates a server for your website and stores it on a network where people can access it. I will also show you how you can get your first month of hosting for a penny. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is get your domain name over at Namecheap. Namecheap, in my experiences, has the cheapest and most variety of domain names. In the description, click the link labelled Namecheap and it'll take you to this page. Right now, as we can see, many domains are 50% off. To buy a domain name, click on the sign up button in the corner. Just enter a username, password and email to register your account. Use your real email so they can contact you. Create your account and continue. Just in case, check your email to make sure your account was created. Great! Now you have a Namecheap account. Now you need to buy your domain. Head to the home page and in the Find Your Domain text box, just type in the domain you want. I want the domain name, the Super Formula, so that's what I'm going to type in. Namecheap will then show you a list of available domains. These prices are super cheap right now. I want the .xyz domain, so I'm going to add it into the cart. Now click View Cart. Now just fill out your address info. I would uncheck registering on behalf of the company. After filling out the boxes, click Continue. Don't worry about this page, click Continue again. Now add your payment info. PayPal and credit cards all work. When you're done with the billing info, click Continue. Then, on the next page, click Pay Now. There you go. Look, I now have a domain in the superformula.xyz for 1 year. Now we're going to get the web hosting service with HostGator. Out of all the web hosting services I've tried, HostGator has the best web service, best customer service at great prices. I've also been using HostGator for a really long time to host my sites. To get to the HostGator site, type in HostGator WordPress hosting. Click on the HostGator.com result. On the WordPress page, you'll see 3 different hosting plans: Hatchling, Baby, and Business. I definitely recommend the Baby plan because you can have multiple websites as well as an unlimited disk space. After you click Sign Up Now, you'll be taken to a domain registration page. Click I already own a domain and enter your previously purchased domain from namecheap.com. I would enter the superformula.xyz. Then enter a username and a 4-digit PIN that you'll remember for your account. Don't forget either one. Next, you're going to enter your billing info, including credit card and address. For additional services, you don't have to get any, but I do recommend the Secure and Accelerate Your Site. I did not get it for this site. Last of all, you're going to enter a coupon code for a discount. As you can see, right now, with the code SNAPPY, you pay $9.56. but I have a better code. Enter host cheap as dirt, all in one word, and click validate. Ta-da! Now it's only 1 penny. Check the box and click checkout now. You have now successfully created your web hosting account. You can make sure by going to the Packages tab on the top, and you should see your domain name titled Package with Baby Plan. It should say Pending right now, and that's okay. After this, head back over to your email and you should see a no reply from HostGator. Inside this email, you will find your logon instructions to your site. Now head back over to your Namecheap account, click into your dashboard. Click on your domain list and click Manage. Now click on the Advanced DNS tab near the top. Now, in your web address, delete Domain Control Panel, as I do, and insert DNS/setNameServer and click Enter. You should be redirected to a page titled Edit Domain Name. Scroll down to the bottom and select Custom Option. You should now see 5 boxes that are numbered Name Servers. This is where you will connect your Namecheap to your HostGator. In the email that HostGator sent you, you should see fields marked first and second name servers. Copy and paste 2 name servers into the corresponding boxes on the Namecheap name server fields. Now click Save Changes. Done! Here's the last step to completing your website. Back in the email that HostGator sent you, click on the link to your control panel. You should be directed to a page looking like this. Now, with that username you created and the password that HostGator has provided for you, you can change this later. Log into your control panel. Now, to install WordPress onto your website, click Get Started with WordPress today. Click Install WordPress. Now you're going to fill out the last form with an admin username, email, password, and blog title. You should leave the install path here blank. Click Install WordPress. This shouldn't take more than a couple of seconds, and you're done. At this point, your site is online, and you might be able to access it instantly from your web browser. Most likely, it will not be reachable immediately because Namecheap takes some time to update the DNS server. You might need to wait a couple of hours. My site was up after an hour. After your site can be reached, you'll be able to start to customize the looks. You should have an email from Quick Install. This email should say Install Complete and give you your username and admin passwords to your WordPress website. Here is my site right now. Maybe a bit bland? Yes it is. But don't worry. You can start to edit your site as soon as possible. Click on the admin URL, which is the same thing as yoursite.com/wp-admin. Enter the username and password they have provided you. Don't worry, you can change the password. This is your WordPress admin page, where you can customize your site and create pages. Immediately, I can start to customize my site. As you can see, the interface is super simple and you can change so many attributes of your site. For example, I can change the general theme of my site instantly. What if I like this theme? Just click Save and Activate and voila, that will be your site. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to SEO and website tips on my channel.